nation. Surround invasion with communication. Move quick, we might avoid contamination. Down, it comes the sound. Everyone stamp your feet to this phenomenon now. Let's make it loud and show them all how you move to this phenomenon. Whoa, open your soul, baby, lose control inside of this phenomenon. Just let yourself go and let everyone know you move to this phenomenon. Don't let these spiders crawl up beside us. They want to bite us, inject the virus. Raise up your lighters, race to the righteous. Need you to guide us. Get prepared to go if you like us. Calling our riders, roll up beside us. No place to hide us. Our freedom fighters.